Do you know that you are the creator of your own reality? You know that. That puts you right there.
Associated with our primal needs and our instincts that allows us to connect to the world.
More solution-oriented on this subject.
I can think about how, with ease, everything falls apart.
I've had enough of your problems. I've had enough of your doubts. snowing outside. I feel like us Arizonans get so excited when it snows. And today is Tuesday. I have a nail appointment later. I got my nails done for the new year, and I just did not like how they turned out. I don't like how the lady did them, so I won't be going back there. So I'm gonna be trying out a new girl. I'll let you guys know how that goes. So that's at 2. I need to shower, I need to get ready. I've already I did some work this morning. I did some editing. This weather makes me want to just cuddle up in my bed and be cozy, watch Netflix, drink some hot chocolate. But I have clothes that need to be put away and a whole bunch of stuff that I have to do, so.
Then off you go into the life you intended. Not one of you said, I'll go and I'll possibly have fun. Not one of you said, oh yeah, I'll go be a human in that sea of contrast where all things possible will be recognized by me. But then I want this thing that hasn't happened yet. I really, really want this missing thing, but my attention is upon its absence. So what are you going to do about that? How are you going to stop noticing that something that you want so much isn't there? So you're very clear about what you want. This is the most difficult thing. The things you don't care that much about, they just zoom right into your experience. And isn't that a hint? Think about something else. As you argue for your limitation, and that's all right. In other words, you all feel like that. I want this thing that has not come. You got to get out ahead of it. You can't keep doing what you're doing and get something different than what you're getting.
Told you so extra, but I know I'm the same, yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my. All good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that way. Tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Now all of my calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell. Should've talked through it in detail. Our separate ways ain't gon' end well, no. But when we get back, it's like, oh my. All bad all day, but the night I get that good till we act right. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I
You are
know.
wanting to create. You are also the creation. But it is the experience of becoming that is what life is all about. You're not ever going to get it done. You're not ever going to say, well, I did it and now I'm done. That's not ever going to be.
If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead.
Look.
We could go all night.
I've been calm, cool, collected, but you pushing on my nerves. And I'm knowing your intention, I'm under pressure. Okay, I'm admitting that a couple things I said got acidic in the tone, in the presence I get careless. Long as you know I come with imperfections. When you look at me, you see the soul through my flesh, you something special. Know you looking bomb, the way you dressing, gone, flex it, hold it still and let my mind digest. You got
Okay, so I am going to go ahead and close the vlog out here. What a view, right? So beautiful. Let's see how far we can zoom in. Oh, that's actually a really good. Oh, we lost her. Oh, she's back.